Hello everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. Is your Windows PC running out of storage or feeling slower than usual? In this video, I'll show you how to clean your C drive perfectly in Windows 10 and Windows 11 without deleting your important files. We'll go through every step to remove temporary files, junk files, unnecessary system data, and free up valuable disk space to help improve your PC's performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Windows user, you can easily follow along. So let's get started.
Before we dive into the steps, take a look at my screen. My C drive is almost full with only a few hundred megabytes left. This is exactly why my computer has been lagging and crashing lately. A full system drive is like a sick computer. It struggles to process data and run background tasks efficiently. We are going to transform this red bar back to a healthy blue. I want you to follow along with me on your own computer so we can do this together. Remember, we aren't deleting your personal photos or documents. We are only targeting the hidden system junk that Windows accumulates over time. For our first step, go to your taskbar and click on the search bar. Now type in disk cleanup and wait for the app icon to appear in the results. Once you see it, go ahead and click on the disk cleanup app to open it. This is a powerful built-in Windows tool that safely identifies files you no longer need. Using this is much safer than manual deletion because it knows exactly what is safe to remove from the operating system without causing errors. A small selection box will pop up asking you to choose a drive. By default, it usually selects the C drive, but if not, use the drop-down menu to select C and then click OK. Now the system will take a few seconds to calculate how much space you can free up. This scan is looking at downloaded program files, temporary internet files, and delivery optimization files. Don't worry if it takes a moment, it's just analyzing the junk accumulated over months of usage. Once the list appears, look at the Files to Delete section and tick every single checkbox you see there. You might see items like thumbnails, recycle bin, and error logs. After ticking everything, do not click OK yet. Instead, click on the button that says Clean up System Files. This is the secret to a deep clean. The system will ask you to select the C drive again, so click OK once more. This second scan is much more thorough and targets old Windows Update files that are no longer needed. Now you will see a much larger list of files, including previous Windows installations or Windows Update cleanup. These can often take up 10 to 20 gigabytes alone. Tick all these boxes carefully. Once you have ensured everything is selected, click the OK button at the bottom. A confirmation box will appear asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete these files. Go ahead and click Delete Files. This process might take a few minutes depending on how much junk you have, so let it finish completely before moving on. While that is finishing up, let's move to our next method for clearing temporary files. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. In the Open field, type temp in lowercase and click OK or press Enter. If a message pops up saying you don't currently have permission to access this folder, simply click on Continue. This folder contains files created by applications to hold information temporarily, but they are often left behind even after the app is closed. Now that the folder is open, you will see a mess of files and folders with strange names. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything inside this folder. To delete them permanently and bypass the recycle bin, hold down the Shift key and press Delete. A prompt will ask if you are sure. Click Yes. If you see a folder in use message, it means a program is currently using that specific file. Don't force it, just check the box. Do this for all current items and click Skip. Let's repeat a similar process but for a different location. Open the Run box again by pressing Windows plus R. This time, type %10% with percentage signs at the beginning and the end, then click OK. This opens the local temporary folder for your specific user account, which usually holds even more junk than the previous one. Just like before, press Ctrl+A to select everything and then press Shift+Delete to wipe them out. Again, click Skip for any files that Windows says are currently in use. You might be wondering why Windows keeps all these files in the first place. These temporary files are meant to help programs load faster, but over time, they accumulate and actually slow down your system. It's like keeping every single receipt and scrap of paper in your office until you can't find your desk anymore. By clearing these regularly, you give your processor and hard drive more breathing room to focus on the tasks that actually matter to you. You're doing great so far, and we're just getting warmed up for the bigger steps ahead.